what's up? Meljean here. Welcome back to my channel. I am greeting you here in the province of Cebu City. This is approximately about 30 minutes from the heart of Cebu. And today I'm gonna show you guys a house here in the province. This is actually looking so lit. It's white and blue. I love the color combination. And yeah, we're gonna do a house tour of this house. So if you guys are asking, this house, it costs them approximately between 150,000 to 200,000 pesos. So that's like, how much is that in dollars?
$3,000 to $4,000.
$3,000 to $4,000. So you will have a house like this in the province if you have like $3,000. Anyway, let's go.
If you know the right people.
Yes.
If you just white, come in, expect to pay double.
Yeah, true. You have to know the right people. Alright, so come on, let's get in. This is actually my cousin's house. This is exactly my first time to get into their house, because this place is actually where I grew up when I was a kid until 15 years old, and since I moved to the city. But yeah, they have a beautiful house in here. It's very noticeable here in this area. Let's go ahead and get in. Come on.
Are we all going?
Yeah.
Let's take it all.
Where's the entrance? There are like 3 doors here, I think. Okay. So
This is the shed.
What's that name?
No, this is the shed.
This is the... What is this? The kitchen? Yeah, this is like the dirty kitchen.
The shagger's den.
The shagger's den. What's that? What's that?
Leave it. Brilliant. It's okay. I'm joking.
So they also have a dog in there, so it's in the cage because it bites white people. Come on. They have water in here. So if you get in, you need to take a shower first.
That's because of COVID only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get inside. The door is blue.
Shoes off.
It's very hot actually. Shoes off, Baba, huh?
Mm.
Ta-da! Wow!
Wait.
My cousin should be here, no? Because I don't know
Just start explaining. Razzle will help you.
What's happening? What is that?
This is kitchen
This
area.
is the kitchen area.
Kitchen.
Clean. Oh, this is the clean kitchen. We have a dirty kitchen. We have a dirty native kitchen. This is now the clean kitchen. So as you guys can see, this is nice for cooking, you know, because it's got window over here. I don't want to break it, but the windows are blue as well, so that's awesome. Come on, get in.
It's so hot.
And then there's, what is this here? Another
Dining.
kitchen. Dining?
Yes.
Dining? Oh, this is dining, and then here. Come on, we have a toilet here. Wow! Ta-da! Alright, can you guys see it? So, they have a toilet here. Oh, I love the flooring, the tiles that they use here. It's like wood. But yeah, that's the toilet. It's very clean. I love it.
There's a step down to it.
Yes.
Let's go. This is our gang.
This is our
This
gang.
is my directing crew.
I love it because the tile is so clean. It's brown as well.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go to this area over here. This is one room, I think. Yeah, so this is one room. We have here some cabinets. The tile here is different as well. Can you see the tile? Ta-da! We have here some lamps, Antonio, some stuffed toy. What is this? Can we open it?
No, no.
Oh, you have to push it.
Okay, the kid can open it, but MJ cannot.
That's her house. She knows how to operate this house. Come on, be with me.
B.
So what is this? This is the kid. What's inside? It's just like a storage box of like anything, you know. And this, what is this? A storage box as well.
Be careful, there could be a stash or something.
It's a bit hot.
It's so hot.
It's so hot. This is their living area. This is their living room.
I have to watch my head. It's not made for foreigners.
This is is their living area. I love the tiles. Actually, the tiles makes it like, it's so clean. I love it.
It's cooler here.
Yeah, it's cooler here.
Let's see the living area. I have to get some.
Yeah. Oh, we have some air.
Yeah, close it.
In there.
Put the fan.
We have this little kid in here. Who is this? That's Razel and the gang. And we have something in here. Look. We have a secret box. What's in here? No. Wow.
I love this. We both vlogging, casually vlogging each other.
Are you vlogging as well? Oh yeah?
Nice
She's
one.
Vlogging. She's vlogging the vlogging. Okay, we're done with the living area now. They have a TV here, by the way. And then this. Oh, this is actually like their last name, family. They have a calendar. Come on, let's go up.
Let's go up.
Come on. Come on,
Go
kids.
go first, kids.
Okay, let's go up. Oh, there's also a window here going to the toilet.
Look, you have to watch your head.
Wash your head. Come on, and then go up. And here, this is your room. Whose room is this?
Mama niya.
This is your mama's room. This is her parents' room. So, ta-da! We are on the second floor right now. Looks nice. Love it. So they have here, they sleep here. We have here all the blankets. And, you know, it's really nice actually. Come on in. And then, there's another room in here. Another room in here. This is
Her
another
room.
her room. The kids' room.
What's your name?
Syra.
Syra.
It's another room with a view. Look. Ta-da. Oh, can you feel the air?
Mm.
It's actually nice. Hello, good morning, my neighbor. Okay, and that's it. Come on, let's go down. Okay, come on, let's go down, honey. Okay, we're going down. We have the steps here.
Look.
Careful.
Look.
Look at this is a Filipino size. Okay, let's go down. Gotta be careful here. Oh, I even is doing that as well. You see? You'll just have to slow down a bit. This is the stairs, the white stairs. And then the garden outside is looking good as well. And that's Razel. Are you okay?
The assistants are dying of thirst. Starvation.
And this is the outside. Can you see? I love this garden over here. Over there as well. They have some barrel for the water. And that's near the toilet.
And they have their own personal basketball court.
Yes, can you see? And then the other one is there. See? Oh, that's nice. We're done with the house tour, guys, and yeah, my cousin was saying that I think they are able to build this for about 150,000 peso. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, it's big for one small family. They only have one kid, and her husband is actually good in building houses, like construction as well, so that's why they don't need to pay labor. So I'm not quite sure how much is it gonna cost if you're gonna pay labor, because I think the labor here in the Philippines per day is like $10 or 500 peso. So yeah, it's really good in here, and this is their lot, so they don't need to pay for the lot as well. You'll just have to really, you know, build your own house like this. The gang is inside. But yeah, it's really refreshing here as well. And if you're gonna go to the city, it will only gonna take you about 30 minutes if you have a motorbike. I mean, most people here in the country owns a motorbike because that's the best transportation. And yeah, me and Tom, we come here anytime now because we have a motorbike, so that's a good job.
To do house invasions. So.
To do house invasion. So let's go back there in the front because it's got a big garden. It's nice, huh? Look. It's very white, so like it's very clean as well. What? Look at him. It doesn't even fit. You have to. Yeah. It's a bit small, no? But here as well? Or not?
It's okay.
It's okay.
For you guys.
Wow, you're so tall, huh?
I'm not even that tall, to be honest. There's Filipinos with same height as me.
Yeah, hello. We have a mirror
We're
here.
just joking.
Yeah. I love this area here. I love the kitchen area because once you're cooking, you will have this view over here, and if you open this, your whole house won't smell what you're cooking. So that's really good. See, they have all these in here. Thank you for the house tour. What do you say?
Thank you.
You say you're welcome. Okay, let's get out here.
She can speak English.
Yeah. And then this is the garden, by the way. And this is the dirty kitchen over here.
Go in the dirty kitchen.
Yeah. So this is the dirty kitchen. Native one. They have here some banana. And oh, there's a chicken in here. What are you doing in there? This is the dirty kitchen. Native one. Actually, it's native. This is very small seat with a little pan and a very big pot. That's the house from this kind of view in the dirty kitchen. And then they have this grass over here. This is called Bermuda, right? This Bermuda grass is so good. I love it because you can sit on it. And I love these plants that they have in here as well. Can you see? And the gang is here. Alright guys, so we are done with doing the house tour. It's a lovely house in here. I love the color combination, white and blue. And this place as well is really refreshing. You will have a lot of motorcycle noise. But yeah, it's a peaceful neighborhood. So that's basically it for the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have like a bit of information as to like how's the cost of like building a house here in the province. By the way, if you guys are asking, this is not concrete, it is not cement, it's actually hardieflex. It's like a combination of plywood and cement, I think. But if you are actually going to look at it on the outside, it looks like it is cement, right? Because they painted it white. Because her husband is construction, he just built it himself, which is pretty good. I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.